What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So it is rumored that Samsung will recognize the Galaxy product in 2024 with more flagship folding screens. The Galaxy S24 line may have fewer channels on the left. According to the latest news, Samsung will release as many as 6 foldable devices, abandon the Galaxy S24 and launch a new mid-range line. An insider revealed Samsung plans for 2024 on Twitter as they are pretty ambitious. Earlier it was rumored that Apple would recognize the iPhone product line, abandon the standard derivative models and invest resources in more advanced products. Samsung, which is also the world's leading brand, seems to have the same views. Recently, there is news that the factory may recognize the Galaxy product line in 2024, shifting the focus from high-end models to folding screen devices and reducing mid-production to entry-level phones. According to the whistleblower RG Clouds on his Twitter account, it is difficult to follow the previous pricing method as the hardware development makes the mobile phone market position. Therefore, Samsung may recognize the Galaxy smart device product line in the coming year and greatly reduce the existing mid to entry positioning, Galaxy A and other devices, and shift the focus to the flagship phones with greater profit margins and price flexibility. Coincidentally, rumors of Apple possible recognition of the iPhone product line have flowed out earlier, which may vaguely reveal a corner of the future mobile phone product trend. The news listed some of the Galaxy product changes from sources. Among them, the folding screen mobile phone will add a higher end positioning, 4K screen Galaxy Z Fold Ultra, 2K screen Galaxy Z Flip Ultra with a Samsung panel, in addition to the existing Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip smartphones. The standard version may switch to BOA to produce folding screen. In addition, the factory may add the Galaxy Z Flex with a 3-in-1 folding design and the high-end tablet flagship Galaxy Z Tab line. The news also mentioned that the factory may remove the Galaxy S24's intermediate series S24 Plus in the coming year. And it seems that only the fine screen Samsung Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a built-in S Pen will remain. In addition, the insider says that the company will abandon the flagship Galaxy S24 Plus and introduce a new series of mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy K. By the way, K-based model numbers were indeed spotted in the Bluetooth SIG database at the beginning of the year, but these could be disguised Galaxy S23. It is expected that the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch in early 2024 with an even more improved camera system. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.